Today, I am going to tell you how to remove the extra hing taste in the rasam already prepared. Many a times, after preparing the rasam, we realize that the smell of hing or the asafoetida is too much, and hence, here I am going to give you three important tips how to remove this extra hing taste. Listen till the end of the video. In case you have any other doubts or queries, you can leave it in the comment section. We make sure we answer to all your questions. Tip number one, in case we have half a liter of rasam with extra hing taste, then boil or cook a handful of chickpeas, that is, it is equivalent to about 30 to 40 grams. Now, boil it, cook it nicely, very soft, and then add the required amount of water, that is approximately about 1.5 glasses of water. Mash it well into a thin consistency. To this, you can add all the masalas other than the hing. And now what you have to do is add this mixture to the originally prepared rasam. Now cook it on the slow fire for about 10 to 8 to 10 minutes. This will help remove the extra hing taste. Tip number 2. This is mainly for people who use garlic in their cooking. Take about, for the same quantity of rasam to be prepared, you can take one medium sized tomato, nicely mash it well, add about 3 to 4 pods of garlic into it. Now to this you add the originally prepared rasam and then bring it to boil slowly in slow flame. What happens is this garlic and the tomatoes which is added pulls all the extra hing taste, and your rasam is ready to use now. Tip number 3. For the same quantity of the rasam to be repaired, you can take about half a lemon sized tamarind, nicely soak it in water. Now squeeze the tamarind water nicely and bring it to a thin consistency according to your requirement, approximately about 1.5 glasses of water. Now to this tamarind water, add all the masalas other than the hing, and add this tamarind water to the originally prepared rasam on the gas stove, and then you can cook it on slow flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. You can add a piece of jaggery also to this. This will also help to remove the extra hing taste, and your rasam will be ready for use. Thank you.